Asher is a San Francisco-based small biotech that has a pipeline of cis-targeted immunotherapies. These immunotherapies are based on a fusion of a targeting antibody together with an immunomodulator. Lonza is really well known in the industry as technical experts. One of the attributes that we're looking for when we did our decision was a CDMO partner with a really strong technical depth, because as a small company, there's just a few of us that are working in this particular part. We work with the Lonza team quite closely. One of my basic tenets of working with a CDMO is I want to have full transparency as much as possible from both directions, so that we're really having that tight partnership. So we meet with our Lonza team, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly. It's early in the morning for us here in California. It's the end of the day for them because they're 8 or 9 time zones away from us. But still, we're able to get through everything we need to get through. We've traveled to Lonza both in Slough in England as well as Switzerland multiple times. Every time we go is just a delight. And the very first time we went as Asher for the kickoff meeting, we had the entire project team, which is quite large, as well as department heads, the site head, all of them attended our initial meeting. It was really quite wonderful to see them all there and the excitement they had for this new customer. But every time we go meeting with the project team, meeting with functional leaders, it's always a wonderfully rewarding experience and able to build really great bonds between us and the Lonza staff. If I reflect back and think about how we got to this point, how we made the decision, the choice of Lonza was something that I wouldn't change. Everything that I expected to happen has happened. And whenever we have any sort of challenges, they are very collaborative in working with us to resolve them.